The cat. Kilo doesn't care, the black and white one. But the little black, the solid black one, she's a baby and didn't know Doobie when we first got her. She has not taken her eyes off Papa since she got here. Oh, monkey, curly butt. Oh, Chata. Oh, don't lick my toes. Chata could have cared less about the cat. The cats are the one that had the reaction. Chata was just like, man, whatever.